My new working pad just arrived. Let us unbox it. At least now I can see the product. I can check if this is, because this is not the picture of what I ordered already. So I have to check if I can use this one. If the kg is going to be up to what I ordered. If it has like an armrest. Okay, it has an arm. So I'm going to find out before I proceed. So I am done reading the manual. Let us go ahead and unbox it properly and plug it in. So these are the accessories that came with it. You get the power cable, you get the oil, you get the lubricating oil, you get the safety magnetic something. This is a phone holder, and this is the remote. This is so heavy. It is bad, but I can see footprint on it. Let me see if you can see. So I don't know if you can see this one. I don't know if they tested it to be sure, or if it is not brand new. I don't know, but that is it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. So I'll be needing an adapter for this. Luckily I have this at home, so I am going to use this to plug it in. This is the front of the treadmill, and this is the back. Has this padding to help reduce the noise. See, there is also somebody matched this thing, and this red thing is the lever you're supposed to pull to be able to pull the handle up. From here, first, to raise the bar, you have to step on this. Okay, step on it. Jesus, it shocked me. This thing shocked me. It shocked me. It shocked me. I wanted to be sure. It shocked me. Jesus. I touched it here and it shocked me. I'm not ready to touch it again. I wish I can put your hand here for you to see. But it shocked me. Why should it shock me? Jesus. This is definitely going back. What nonsense. Oh my God, my hand. It shocked me, guys. It shocked me. It shocked me. Oh, it shocked me. It shocked me. Hell no. Who knew that treadmill can show? Anyways, so where can I then touch and where can I not touch? Guys, this thing shocked me. This thing shocked me. My hand is still paining me. It shocked me. Hell to the no. I am returning this nonsense. Jesus. Okay, they said it will not turn on if you do not have this um, safety clip on. I have to put it on to be sure that it's going to turn. And this is where it is supposed to go. You're not shocking me again, no. Lalai. So I have placed it there. I'm going to turn it on and see. I guess this bottom part cannot shock me, right? Because um it's not metal, but I don't want to even try. I don't want to even try. Why will this place be shocking? Hey God, I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. What do I do? I don't want to even step on it and get it dirty because I am definitely returning it and I can't bother to start trying to fix it. Nah, let's increase the speed. So you can use it when the bar is up or down to increase the speed.
I found out that the shocking part was from the earthing of my house, so I could have fixed that. But I did not keep the walking pad because this one has a weight limit of 100 kg. I was over 100 kg at this point, and also the walking surface is really slim. So I chose to return it because I wasn't 100% happy with the purchase.
So the speed stops at 3.7 and you can see how fast it is going. But guys, and I want to try again. And it has this place where you can keep the remote. You're not going to shock me again. So you can keep the remote there, which is nice. Yeah, it has a magnet to hold it in place. Guys, well, this is it and this is the highest speed. Look at how cute this treadmill is. Guys, look at the color is so beautiful.